and we see each other at the top. Okay?
Good.
Don't go anywhere.
Get the same wheels I do. I feel like.
Yeah.
Or at least the same rims.
Let's do this.
Same hubs.
Ceramic
speed?
Are we going up to that tower up there?
Oh, Hunt ones. I have ceramic speed.
Are we going up to that tower?
Yeah, to the ball.
I seem to remember that.
Windy, so
Yeah.
be
That's it.
careful.
The ball is where we're going.
Okay, cool.
It's windy. Over there on the top, it's very
I'll
windy.
catch you on the corner on this
So
side.
keep your hands on the bar.
Yeah.
And
We had
especially
somebody fall
for the
before.
descent, but I'll remind you again.
What's that?
We had somebody fall on,
Oh,
this,
okay.
on this exact climb because of the
It's
wind.
the place where you can crash
Yeah.
because your front wheel just
Listen.
gets...
Yeah. He was
You
doing
guys
no
go when I
hands.
catch.
Oh,
And
fuck.
then the wind just
Money
blew
off, say we
the
have
wheel
again.
off and he
Yeah.
fell down.
Okay?
Okay.
I do no hands if I'm a mile from home.
Yeah. Don't do it again.
Chris Froome ruined his fucking career.
On the time trial bike in the warm up.
Yeah.
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 Never came back.
That's what the guys I'm kind of teaching at home, that's what I tell them. Like, the best in the world have fallen.
I've never gone up this way.
Is this the road we're actually climbing up? No.
Well,
Just because
I've never done this one, David.
Oh,
I've
just-
never done it this way. I've always gone from the other side, straight
Ah,
up. But this one, it comes up and meets the other road. And then you will, I think,
So-
when you're on the hill, you'll turn right. I've came down it before, but I've never gone up this way. This is new.
just because Manu went ahead.
I hope he turns left here.
Oh, they probably told him turn left just up here.
I think he's got it in his computer.
Yeah. Mine was from 2025, so it's no good. I love those trees.
Yeah, very pretty. Pretty flowers.
You can fuck if you want.
I'm good. Maybe when we start actually climbing. This just feels like false flat. Still pushing 213 watts. We got this, buddy.
Beide steile Köpfe waren irgendwie. Ja.
Yeah.